Black seeds, also known as Nigella sativa or black cumin seeds, have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their numerous health benefits. Here are some of the benefits of black seeds and ways to incorporate them into your diet. 1. Rich in nutrients, black seeds are packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A, B, C, minerals, calcium, iron, potassium, and antioxidants, thymoquinone, nigellone, which support overall health and well-being. 2. Boosts immunity. The antioxidants in black seeds help strengthen the immune system, making the body more resilient to infections and diseases. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Black seeds contain compounds that exhibit anti-inflammatory effects, which may help alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis and asthma. 4. Improves digestive health. Black seeds can aid digestion by promoting the production of digestive enzymes and reducing inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. They may also help relieve symptoms of indigestion and bloating. 5. Supports heart health. Studies suggest that black seeds may help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve overall heart health, thereby